Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Hugh with a View. Oh, actually no, this time it's Review with Hugh. Yes, that's right. If you watched my last video, then you would have seen my incredibly impressive review of the Blood Sugar palette. In my opinion. Oh, I shouldn't be shaking it. Oh, pigmented the house down. And this time I thought I would do more than just a review. I would also try and have a Jeffreestar makeover. And now, because I don't really play with makeup, or do I? I don't. I've decided that I would watch the Jeffreestar Blood Sugar palette makeup tutorial he did with Lipstick Nick or whatever her name is, lesbian or something, I don't know. And so I'm going to be using that as a guide, so let's check it out. Okay, I can do this. Okay, I have like the white one, I don't really care. Okay, so basically I gathered whatever I could to follow the tutorial. So I've got a bunch of random brushes here. I've got my Blood Sugar palette here.
So what I do with every metallic
which metallic shade? There's like three.
Fix plus on the back of my
okay, so I think it's this one. I think he said sweetness, so I'm just gonna do that because Ariana Grande. Okay, so wait, what? It's just like...
I wanted a shade that I really didn't see in
I have hair.
Just something different.
Oh, it smells like sugar again. I look like I've been punched.
And I'm not into that.
Wait, what? He wants to cut the crease with one of these? Like, I only have white. Oh my god, I'm not putting this stuff in my eye, I don't care. Wait, what? A dry brush? I don't... Wait, what the hell? He's taking it up there? I have eyebrows. I don't... What shade is that? She's not... What shade is it? She's not even telling me. Glucose? What the hell? Oh god, I just put the red in... So yes, yeah. Why do girls do this? I don't get it. Okay, write in the comments below as to why girls do this. Wait. No, she's just like putting it all the way up. What? Okay, she's going too quickly. This freestyle. Full up. Ooh. They're really dark on your eyes. No. Oh, fuck, that one in my eye. Look at it. Ah. I can't do it. I look like a monster. It was fine. Oh my god, you guys, I am so nervous to reveal the final look. Oh my god. Ta-da. Oh my god, wow. Wow. You know, they say makeup is meant to enhance your natural beauty or natural features, but I look the same. Said it before and I'll say it again. Perfection. So that's the end of this video. Thanks guys so much for joining. I mean, a lot of this video was just about having fun. I mean, why not? I'm in quarantine. Why not lose my mind for a minute? But it does relate back to, you know, like more serious topic. In my last video, you know, can you separate the person, Jeffreestar, from the product? And to be honest, you know, like having looked at this palette, you know, it seems pretty good quality, and that's someone who doesn't really pay much attention to makeup. It seems alright, so please share your thoughts, opinions down in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. I do now have Instagram and Twitter. So let's start a conversation. Let's talk about Jeffreestar, Shane Dawson. We can talk about everything. Politics, Trump, who cares? Whatever. Just let me know. I'm going to be uploading new videos each week. I really do hope you enjoy these guys. Please let me know if you do, or if you don't, what can I do better? Let me know. I'm always open to constructive criticism. Take care, guys. I look like I have conjunctivitis.